actually work, right?
Yeah, so let's see how much the entrance fee and whatever.
It's 100 pesos per person.
And then let's go upstairs. Looks like still under improvement, something like that. Yes. What is this?
You can see how cool this is.
Future civil engineer. Is that? Wow. Let's try to ride here.
You're gonna, you're gonna write on there.
Yeah.
You're gonna write a note. A little souvenir shop, of course. This is actually pretty wild.
What date today? 24?
Yeah.
2023. Yeah, there you go. Yes, yan. Welcome, Little Kyoto.
Meron muna pwede na ka mag-rent muna for authentic Japanese man ma.
150. You can rent kimono house. Kimono house. 150.
So hopefully that noise isn't terrible. I'm sure it's gonna be. So basically this place is designed to look like Kyoto, Japan, with some of the same style buildings and things like that. We got food, it's mostly Japanese food. Got little statues running around here, like this. Don't know if you'll be able to see that. I'll zoom in and edit if not. It's kind of what they got going on here. It's pretty cool though. Haven't been to Kyoto yet in real life, so I'll have to make it there too. Or I should say the real Kyoto. I'll have to make it there to see if it's the same or similar. So I don't actually know. But this is pretty cool.
What do you want?
And it's not incredibly hot because it's up in the mountains. What do I want? I don't know. What do you want to do?
Wow.
Oh, wow. Look at that view. All right, so they have food and things like that here too. It's all Japanese related. I will say it feels kind of tourist trappy, but it's still pretty cool. I'm not mad.
Wow, you got a nice photo from here.
Yeah, you got a good photo from me here
Yeah, for thumbnail.
for thumbnail.
Thank
Ganda. Nothing Ganda about me. Bang it. So cool. Not a bad place to come and spend a day. And it's cheap enough. 100 pesos to get in per person. It's not terrible. The views are definitely nice though, for sure. Got some artwork here.
And here's the geisha, or whatever it's called.
Pretty cool. A pagoda. I thought those stairs came all the way up to this, but apparently not. We went the right way. A Buddha in there. That's more or less most of it. It does have a great view. And I guess these are little stores that aren't open at the moment. In front of me. These. They don't appear to be open, so it is middle of the day, kind of early. They probably open later, I guess.
Ganda. So you have to order food here. See what you got. What you get? To yakitori chicken. Do you wanna try that? Well, there you go. But try to put some more. Ta-da. There's more here. Look at that. Mickey Mouse. And